Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Ninja 1000 SX. So super cool bike is this one. This is a 2021 and it's in 14,111 miles from new. Got the Akrapovic exhaust on there. This one has a 3-box luggage as well. It's also got a power point fitted to it, and this one being the Ninja, it is the later generation, so you do get that full colour TFT display on there. You also get cruise control, you get a quick shifter, and just like the old model, you also get the power modes, traction, and ABS as well. But really highly spec'd, super popular model. And this one in this colour scheme, I think, is one of the best ones. It's also got the Kawasaki protection on the side there, and some extenders on the mirrors so you can actually see behind you. But yeah, super cool bike. I don't think it'll be here very long. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.